Hello, pen testers. This is Punit Darji back again with another AI security video. In this video, we are going to talk about supply chain attack. So before we dive into this video, I have created the DOS attack in the LLM. So in my previous video, if you haven't watched that video, I would recommend to watch the DOS attack video. So I am creating entire AI hacking threads, the playlist you can see over here. So if you want to learn the AI hacking, you can check out this playlist. So let's move to this video. So if you have you ever wondered how the brand new car could be dangerous? It's usually not because of the manufacturer, but because of the problem in its supply chain. Let me give you the clarity. So a car isn't built by the one company. It's an assemble of the parts, brake from the another supplier, a navigation system from the another supplier, engine from the another supplier, something like that, and build a brand new car. So if supplier provides a faulty component, let's say supplier giving the faulty navigation system, and it's compromise the navigation system, the entire car becomes vulnerable. The car manufacturer did nothing wrong over here. So car manufacturer uh, getting the car components from the different supplier, and those suppliers are trusted suppliers, and the end product is vulnerable just because of the components are faulty. So this is exact the same concept apply in this software supply chain attack. So think of the large language model like a car. It's a foundation of the code, but it relies on external parts like plugins, library, or data to function the large language model. So I have created the CTF challenge around it. So let's move to the practical part so you will get the better understanding. So here we have the practical for supply chain. So let's understand the supply chain in simple words. I just get the example. It's like a car manufacturer using the faulty part from a supplier. The car isn't the problem. Component, whatever the component it use in the car, that is the main problem. Okay, so this is what the supply chain attack is. So the here you can see like Python challenge llm.py, and here it's a normal application. Welcome to the HR assistant CTF challenge. Type your query. Let's say what are the what is your name? Your name. Okay. So I cannot provide information on this topic. It's outside the scope of my knowledge. Okay. So it's normal application as you can see. Uh, Now, if you see on the code level, let me show you the code level. So firstly, let me open the challenge.llm.py. And here we have the code, the HR assistant class, and here the your AI assistant, human resource department, etc., etc. But if you look closely, you can see the import internal library, this particular library, and here is the catch. Uh, you would never guess that there's something anything wrong in this particular application. But if you look at the code that I will show you, very important right here in the import library, internal library, and this is the key. Our main application is dependent on external library, is trusting the it is trusting that this library is safe, but it is not safe. Let me show you the code for internal library as well. So here, now look at the code for the internal library.py file, and it's a small and simple file, but it's been poisoned. The most of the code is completely wrong and poisoned, but it has the hidden vulnerability. And if you have identified, good to go. But if you haven't identified, let me show you. Uh, Here it is. If integer query equals to 1337, and here is the poison. The library is waiting for the specific the secret input to trigger the malicious code, and its backdoor activated will activate and waiting for the open whatever the behind the 1337 has. So and now let's try to solve this challenge. Uh, uh, so to solve this challenge, you don't need to hack the main application. So you don't need like a code or something like that, but you need to give the input that will pass to the malicious library. The main application is an unsuspecting the messenger, and all we have to do is to type the magic number into the prompt, that is 1337, which you can see over here. And if we pass the 1337, we will get the flag. So let's try. Uh, let's say if I pass Puneet 1337, no 1337, and here we get the critical backdoor has been triggered and get the flag. So this is the powerful lesson. The supply chain attack can compromise thousands of applications at once because of this single poison component. It depends on the application. It is very real threat in the interconnected world, and it's that is why developer needs to know where is your code comes from. So this is the best example of the supply chain attack. So this is all about the supply chain attack. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.